Hello out there, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Olutola. Thank you for joining me again in this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be working on the topic determinant, and if you can check the channel, you'll see I've done the lesson on 2x2 determinant. In this lesson, I'm going to work on the 3x3 determinant. I'm going to use an example to show you how we do the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. So the question here says evaluate the determinant. We should find the determinant of this matrix. Whenever we see these lines on an array of numbers this way, it means determinant. So determinant now is equals to, I can choose to expand along the first row, I can choose to expand along the second row, I can choose to expand along the third row. In this, I'm going to be expanding along the first row. I'll later show you how to expand along the second row, and I'll compare both answers. So expanding along the first row, I will have positive 6, then I will have 4, 2, 6, 8. I got this by closing this up and closing this up. I go to the next, I will have negative 7, that's what is here. Then I'll close this up, I'll close this up. I'm going to have 5, 2, 2, 8. Then I will take the next one, which is positive 9. I'm going to close this row up, I'll close this column up. So I'm going to have 5, 4, 2, 6. I'm going to work on this as a 2x2 matrix, just the way I did it here. 4, 5, 2, 6. 4 multiplies 6, we have 24. Then 2 multiplies 5, we have 10. So that's what I did on the 2x2 matrix. So here we are going to have 6, that's the positive 6, into bracket 32 minus 12. That's 4 times 8, 32, 2 times 6, 12. Negative 7 into bracket 40 minus 4. So that's 5 times 8, 2 times 2. And positive 9, that will be 30 minus 8. I'm going to work on this. I have 6 into bracket 20, negative 7 into bracket 36, then positive 9 to bracket 22. So this will give us 120. This will give us 36 times 7 will give 2, 4. Okay, so this will give us 252. Then this will give us 18, 198. That's 120, 198. Adding them up, I will have 318 minus 252. That will be 6. So the determinant here is 66. That's how to do the determinant of a 3x3 matrix. And for this particular question, I expanded along the first row. So very quickly, I'm going to expand along the second row, and that will show us if we are going to have the same answer or not. So to expand along the second row, I'll put my sign. You know, this was positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It keeps alternating like that. If you choose to expand along the third row, all you need to do is to continue. That will be positive, negative, and positive. but here I'm just going to work on the second row. That will be negative, positive, negative. So determinant equals to, I'm sure you know this is the symbol. Some write it as det determinant, and some will just put it in lines this way. So determinant now, expanding along the second row, I have negative 5. Negative 5 is in this column. I close this up. It's on this row. I close this up. I'm going to have 7, 9, 6, 8. So I'll go again. I have positive 4. That's this. Then I'll close the column and the row. I'm going to have 6, 9, 2, 8. I got that by closing this up, okay. Going on, I'm going to have negative 2, then I'll close up this, I'll close up this. So that will be 6, 7, 6, 7, 2, 6, 6, 7, 2, 6. So that will give us negative 5 into 56, 56 minus 54, and positive 4, 48. That's 6 times 8 minus 18, 9 times 2, negative 2. We have 6 multiply 6, that's 36 minus 14. So this will give us negative 5 into bracket 2, and positive 4. This will give us 30. That's 48 minus 18. Then I have negative 2, and this will give us 22. This will get us negative 10. This will give us 120, and this will give us 44. We have 44, we have 10, that's 54, that's negative 54, that's 120 minus 54, so that will give us 66. As you can see, the determinant is the same. If you expand along the first row as we did here, we got 66. Here we expanded along the second row and we add the same 66. So it's your choice. Just pick out your cofactors well by closing up the right row and the right column. So I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I want you to watch out for some practice questions on matrices that I will do in a short while. Please, I would like you to subscribe, like, share. I would like to know your comment. I appreciate you for watching. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.